Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, today Chelsea official unveiled, yes, our away kit, our second jersey or away kit. Yes, the white one. Chelsea official unveil it. Chelsea will start wearing it during the Club World Cup. Yes, so that is why Chelsea unveil it. Even it is in the mega store, the official mega store. Yes, Chelsea mega store. The away jersey and the home jersey. So if you want to buy it, guys, the link is under the description of this video. Chelsea official mega store. Yes, the men own is there, the women own is there, children own is there. Yes, both home and away. Even if you want panties, you want socks, you want captain band, it is there in the mega store. As I said, the link is under the description of this video. So if you want the original version, the original jersey, guys, it is in the mega store. As I said, the link is under the description of this video. So please watch out, click it. It will send you to Chelsea official mega store. You can see the price there and you can make your purchase. By the way, guys, we have a replica version of it, fans version. That is the one I'm wearing. Yes, it is the same, almost the same, but this one is a replica fan version. But the original one is in the Chelsea official mega store. But as I said, what I'm wearing, or the one I'm wearing now, is replica version. And in this studio, guys, we are selling the replica version. Yes, we are selling it. You see, this is the replica version. If you want it, yes, there is number on the screen. The email is there on the screen. That is the replica version from Chelsea. Yes, so this is the replica version. You see, this is the first time I'm opening it, just to show it to you. This is 2X large. That is the away jersey. That is the replica version as I'm wearing. Fans own. Yes. See. So if you want it, you can contact us. Yes. For it, we'll deliver it to you anywhere you are. Yes. So this is the away one, and this is the home one. The home one, if you want to buy the replica version also, the first time I'm opening that also. Yes, you see, this is the home one. This is the one next season Jackson will wear and be scoring those goals and the lap. You see, so this is the replica version. So if you want it, yes, there is number on the screen and email. You can contact through call or WhatsApp text, or even direct text. We'll deliver it to you. This studio, we have the replica version from Chelsea, but the original one, as I said, the link is under the description of this video. If you want to buy the original one from Chelsea mega store, yes, the link. But the replica version, some of we the Chelsea fans, this is the one some of us we can afford. Yes, but the original one is also there, as I said. So guys, that is it. That is it. This jersey, I can see that this jersey is befitting Nicola Jackson. You will see it on the screen when Nicola Jackson is wearing it. The away jersey is befitting Jackson. I can see 30 goals in this jersey. When Nicola Jackson wears it, I can see 30 goals next season. I can see Champions League badge. You see the middle of this jersey. You see Champions League badge, and also this one. And this one is befitting Liam Delap. You see, this one is befitting Liam Delap. Go and check it. When Liam Delap wears this jersey, he's looking like Prime Ronaldo, Prime Benzema. I'm telling you. So guys, these are the jersey available here, Football Lions. If you want it, yes, you can remove the number on the screen and contact us. Available, yes. And this blue, I think I have to see if I can use it. I like it. But this away also, I like it. Very, very nice. But for the away, I already have one. So available for sale, the replica one and the original one on the Chelsea or in the Chelsea official mega store. The link is under the description of this video. So guys, let's come back to our transfers. Let's come back to our goalkeeper Petrovic. Chelsea want to sell him. Yes, Chelsea put him on the market. Yes, waiting for an offer, and information came that Galatasaray interested, but they want option to buy. Yes, they want on loan with option to buy. And see, I don't know why, guys. Anytime that Chelsea want a certain team player, it's difficult. They are making it, they are pricing the player higher, 100 million player. Every player Chelsea is going to sign now, that player will turn to 100 million. But when it's time for teams to come for our player, they are showing some greediness, some stinginess. I don't understand. How on earth Galatasaray, you are going to sign one of the best goalkeepers in the world, on-form goalkeeper like Petrovic, you want to sign him on loan? How? No. This is not fair. You can pay. You have the money to pay for Sane. You landed Sane recently. You have a package for Victor Osimhen. Good players are this. Look at their wages. You can pay their wages, and you can pay for at least bring 60 million or 70 million for Petrovic. No, it's not fair. It's not fair. Galatasaray, please bring 70 million. Yes, 70 million. He's a good goalkeeper. He's going to win you the league next season again. This season you won the league. Don't you want to win the league like every season? So bring 70 million and take Petrovic. But we don't want to hear loan. If Petrovic were to be Galatasaray player, won't you guys say he is 100 million goalkeeper? Because it is Chelsea. So that is not fair. So guys, Galatasaray interested to sign Petrovic. Did your Petrovic as Chelsea is selling him? But they want loan with option to buy. That is the latest information, guys. Let me hear from you under the comment section about his selling. Should Chelsea sell him or not? And let's come to another winger Chelsea interested to sign. Nico Williams' release clause has been revealed? 60 to 65 million. And information said that any team who will pay or trigger the release clause must pay the money upfront. That is the difficult part. Upfront. Once you trigger it, you are not going to proportion it. You have to pay the 60 or the 65 million all at once. How on earth? This our owners, they are not doing that. Yes, they are using 5 season amortization. When they sign a player 100 million or 60 million, they can use 2 or 3 season or 5 season and pay it. But in this case, for Nico Williams' release clause, you have to pay it first at once. And that one, even when you pay like that, that means in your PSR, yes, you have to, in that particular season, you have to record 16 million. Yes, because you paid once. But when the owners or the sporting directors amortize it, let me say 60 million, they can pay 30. Or let's say 20 every season. 20. They can use 3 seasons and pay it. You see, so every season, the PSR, the amortization for Nico will be 20 million every season. 20 million every season. But once you just pay 60 million at once, that means our PSR will go up. We have to record 60 million. So guys, that is the issue. And even the wages, that 20 million per season. Yes, salary, he will be ended. Another problem. Chelsea, can we pay? Will our owners pay? But the way information said that, yes, Arsenal interested, Barcelona interested, Real Madrid interested, Chelsea interested. And for me, I know if we go, he will come. He will come. Yes, because we are Chelsea. We are Chelsea. If we want a player, it is harder that player say no. So guys, that is the latest also for Nico Williams. His release clause is 60 to 65 million. But any team that will pay it at once. Or that will trigger the release clause will pay it at once. And another striker Chelsea to sign, Gyökeres. Now, their director came out and said that they still stand on that 80 to 100 million. If Chelsea doesn't have the money, or if Chelsea will not pay the money, they will keep their striker, what and what. Yes, they are not selling him unless 80 million or 100 million. And information said that not only Chelsea now interested, that Liverpool is there, Manchester United is also there. So now United, they are weighing up. But Frankfurt sporting director said that, or is he a chairman or sporting? He said that Chelsea didn't submit any official bid. Chelsea only asked about the condition of the deal. Chelsea didn't submit official bid to sign Gyökeres. Chelsea only asked for condition of the deal. How much? Yes, his wages, those kind of things. If there is some clause, yes, those kind of things. So as I said, the director said, if not the 80 million or the 100 million, they are not selling Gyökeres, they are keeping him. And Manchester United, Liverpool, and Chelsea, these 3 big teams are interested on him. So that is the latest for Gyökeres also. Yes, the striker Chelsea interested to sign. And this Gyökeres, I don't know what is hiding under him. Yes, I think maybe they see him to be a good striker, or they see him to have a promising future. He's a potter, because as they stood on that 80 million, 100 million, that means they trust him. Yes, like they trust him so much. So let's see during the course of the season, let's see whether Chelsea will go back and see they can get the deal done or not. And let's come to Gittens also, guys. Yes, the winger Chelsea interested to sign. Chelsea returned with the 15 million, but they rejected that. Dortmund rejected that. And now Dortmund won 55 million. So information came that, guys, Chelsea will go back to try to sign Gittens, because as we are speaking now, the personal terms is already agreed. Gittens accept to join Chelsea on 7-year contract. For the personal terms, everything completed. 7 years contract till 2032. But now the valuation is the issue. The fee. Yes, Chelsea want to pay 15 million and now Dortmund is asking for 55 million. So we are waiting to see, and Chelsea said that they will go back. They will try till this month end to see if they can sign Gittens. And yes, we need a winger. We need wingers. As we are speaking now, we only have 3 wingers in Chelsea, and that is bad. It can't happen. A big team like Chelsea, more competition next season. We need squad depth. We need more players. We have Neto. We have Gyökeres. We have George. And George is a young player. Just this season, yes, Chelsea promoted him from our academy. So, indeed, even if Chelsea sign Gittens, still, we still need a winger. And the wingers, as I said, Nico Williams' name is there. Rodrigo's name is there. And Mohamed Kudus' name is there. So these wingers, during the course of the season, Chelsea will go back to see if they can sign them. So if anything happen, I will update you again. So please turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscription button. If any new information come, yes, from Chelsea, I will update you again. Yes. And the next striker Chelsea, or the striker Chelsea interested to sign, Gyökeres, yes, transfer information came out. Yes. During the January transfer window, so many teams wanted to sign him. He was having a release clause, less than 100 million. But the owner said that he will give Gyökeres a gentleman clause, as they said, or I'm quoting, gentleman clause. So that gentleman clause was 65 million. But his release clause totally was 100 million, or less than 100 million. So let's say they can decide to sell him 70 million. They can decide to sell him 80 million, 90 million, or 100 million, or the 65 million. But because, yes, Gyökeres want to leave this summer, the owner said, okay, we are going to give you a gentleman clause, which is 65 million. If any team brings 65 million, we are accepting the fee and we will let you go. But now it looks like this transfer market has been destroyed by Liverpool. I'm telling you, Liverpool ruin this transfer market, destroy it. Liverpool pay 150 million for Wiz. So for that matter, now they said that, okay, Sporting said that, okay, if Liverpool can pay 150 million for a young player like Wiz, then we have someone, or we have Gyökeres, who is also better, and they don't even think Wiz is better than Gyökeres. So why should Liverpool sell Wiz 150 million? And we are going to sell our Gyökeres, the goal-scoring Gyökeres, the clinical Gyökeres, who scored goals more than the number of games he played this season, 65 million. So now they said, no way, that gentleman clause, they will not use it again. They will not respect it again. They are also ready to now sell Gyökeres, let's say 100 million or 80 million or 70 million or 90 million. And it brought confusion. Yes, information said that Gyökeres became annoyed, became angry that they are now making his transfer difficult. He wants to leave this summer. Yes, he wants to go to Chelsea, Manchester United, or any of the big guns who interested. So Gyökeres felt that now they are about to make his transfer difficult. Guys, so it brought confusion. Information even came that, yes, from Gyökeres came that what is going around, yes, he's debunking on it. It is not true from the owners, what and what. So Gyökeres said, during the right time, he will come out and speak the truth, the honesty. So we are waiting to see. Yes. And this Gyökeres son, like, I don't know why. Like big teams are now failing us, guys. Football fans, we don't understand. Like, you will see a good striker be in the market. You will not see any big team talking about him. They would rather go to somewhere and be paying some exorbitant fee for unproven players. Look at Manchester United. Isak was in the league, Premier League with Newcastle. They want to pay 80 million for Hodgson. Now look at him. They want to pay some 100 million for Ziggy, or how many fees, or 50 million or 60 or 100 million for Ziggy. Even Anthony, in which good strikers, good players are there in the transfer market. Look at Gyökeres. Look at Victor Osimhen. This kind of strikers, Isak and even Atletico Madrid, Alvarez was there. Yes, last season or last 2 seasons. Big teams, like, I don't know, guys. It look like the big teams we are not pretending. We are not pretending as if we want to compete. Alvarez was there. Chelsea went and signed Kellerman. I can't believe this. Alvarez was there. Manchester United went and signed Hodgson and Ziggy. Guys, what is happening? What is happening? And if we're going to say maybe they are stingy, they don't want to pay, but look at the man they are paying for those unproven players. That man could have paid for those proven strikers. But I don't know whether the sporting directors are the problem or the owners. I don't know. The vision is no more there in big clubs. Look at Newcastle. Look at Aston Villa. Look at Nottingham Forest this season. Now these teams they show competition even more than some of these our so-called big teams. Guys, what is happening? Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought, yes, about all this transfer from Chelsea camp, Gittens, Eketeke, and Mohamed Kudus, Nico Williams coming, yes, and Victor Gyökeres transfer. All the transfer we'll talk about in this video. And as I said, if you want the replica version, yes, you can contact us through the number on the screen. Yes, we'll deliver it to you. And please, if you want to ask any question about this JC, yes, ask the question through the number, maybe on text or WhatsApp or through the email. Please don't ask the question here on YouTube. Here is YouTube. For the JC or the shared information, please ask any question through the number. Thank you. And please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care. Peace.